What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Spigen's chargers for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Apple Watch Ultra. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick any of these up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because that helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews for you guys. Now, all of Spigen's chargers do use GaN technology, and basically what that allows for is them to run cooler while charging, put out a lot of power, all in a small form factor, and I will be showing you what the size difference is between Spigen's chargers and a non-GaN charger. It's pretty significant. And Spigen's chargers are backwards compatible, so if you happen to have an older iPhone or an older Apple Watch, you can still use all of these devices. Now you're definitely going to want to stick around for this video because I believe these chargers are much better than the ones you're going to get from Apple at a much lower price. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up here we have the ArcWire USB-C to Lightning cable. So here is the cable itself. It is 6.6 feet long. It does have this really nice braided shielding on it, and it does remind me of the cable that comes with the MacBook Pros. It does have aluminum ends, which feel very solid. This is a very nice braided cable, so you don't have to worry about this kinking or getting all tangled up. And you can use this with the chargers that I'm going to show you in just a second. And then here we have Spigen's ArcStation Pro chargers. Here we have a 65 watt, a 45 watt, and a 35 watt. And as you can see, it does have dual USB Type-Cs on each one of the chargers. Now they do come in at different price points, so all you need to basically do is choose the right one for your charging situation. Here's the 45 watt adapter, and here is the 65 watt adapter. Now like I mentioned before, Spigen uses GaN technology in all their chargers. Now if we take a look at Samsung's charger, which does not use GaN technology, we can see the definite size difference here. The biggest charger we have for Spigen is 65 watts. This Samsung's charger is only 25. Look at the size difference. It's about the same depth as the Samsung, but we get two USB Type-Cs here. I mean, which one would you rather have? 25 watts with one USB Type-C or 65 watts with two? Okay, so here I have the braided cable by Spigen. I mean, look at how nice this unravels. I love this braided cable. It's really solid. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the braided cable over here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that in to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So as you can see, we are charging. And then I'm going to plug in another USB Type-C into the charger while it's charging the iPhone. And I'm going to plug this one into my Galaxy Fold 4. And as you can see, it still has enough power to do super fast charging for my Galaxy Fold 4 while it charges the iPhone. These Spigen chargers are really solid. They do have a little bit of weight to them, and they definitely feel premium. They're definitely powerful enough to charge up a couple devices at the same time, yet small enough to put in your book bag or even your pocket. This is one of the nicest braided cables that I've seen yet that has not been made by Apple. And then here we have the Spigen PowerArc ArcField wireless charger for the Apple Watch. So here is the charger itself. It kind of looks just like the Apple charger that comes with your Apple Watch, but it does have a included connected USB Type-C cable, and it is a rather weighty little stand, which is nice because then you don't have to worry about sliding around on your desk. And it comes with these little inserts that you can put in here to perfectly align your watch depending on what size watch you have. And here are those little inserts. We have all the way down to 38 millimeters, all the way up to 44 plus millimeters. And you just simply place those in the little slot here to perfectly align your Apple Watch. So I'm going to use the 44 millimeter plus. And all we need to do is simply just put it in here. And the little piece is made of rubber, so when you put your Apple Watch in here, you don't have to worry about it getting all scratched up. This charger is also Apple certified, so you know that it's going to work with your Apple device and not harm it in any way. So I just went ahead and plugged this into the Spigen 65 watt charging adapter. And I'll go ahead and take my Apple Watch and stick it on the charger here. And as you can see, it charges up perfectly fine. So now you can have your Apple Watch and your brand new iPhone all charging at the same time. The charger is made of all plastic, but again, it does feel very substantial and solid. And it has a nice little rubber pad on the bottom, again, to keep it from sliding around on whatever surface you put it on. And the max wattage this is capable of outputting is 2.5 watts. And then here we have the Spigen Arc Hybrid Mag Wireless Portable Charger. This is a MagSafe charger. And here is the MagSafe charger itself. It does have some LEDs on here to let you know what the battery status is with the push of a button. It is made of all plastic and it is pretty light. It does have a USB Type-C on the bottom here that is quick charge compatible. And on the back it's got a nice little rubber pad to keep your phone from getting scratched when you're using it. It also does come with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Now this is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and the max output that you can use through the USB Type-C is 12 watts, and with wireless MagSafe technology you can get up to 7.5 watts output. Now you can also double charge with this. You can have this connected to the back of your iPhone and you can have something else charging through the USB Type-C here, but you're going to get only a max of 5 watts per device. So here I have my iPhone 14 Pro Max with the Spigen case on here. That does have MagSafe technology in it. All you need to do is simply put this on the back of your phone. It clips into place. And if you want it to start charging, just simply press in that button one time and it'll start to charge your phone. The magnet is pretty strong. You don't have to worry about your phone just falling off. And if you want to charge another device while you're charging your iPhone through the MagSafe, you can use that Spigen braided cable that's USB Type-C to Lightning, and you can plug in to another iPhone and charge that as well. So now you're charging two devices at the same time. But again, like I said, you're only going to get 5 watts max per device. Now the other really nice feature is the fact that it has pass-through, and what that is it allows you to use the MagSafe portable charger to charge your phone while you're charging up the device itself. So we'll go ahead and plug the charger in. As you can see, it is now charging, and we're also charging up our phone. If you want to get the max charging speeds from this portable charger here, all you need to do is use the USB Type-C connection. Again, we can use our braided cable. We'll plug in the USB Type-C into there, and then the Lightning into your iPhone. And now you're charging at 12 watts max. Now you also don't have to worry about turning this power bank off, because when it's not in use, it automatically turns itself off within a few seconds. And then here we have the Spigen PowerArc Arc-Field Magnetic Wireless Charger. And here is the charger itself. It is made of a very nice solid aluminum. It's very thin and light. And on the charging side, it's got a nice rubber pad to keep your phone safe from scratches. And then on the other end, it does have a USB Type-C that you can easily plug into one of the Spigen chargers. Now the max charging output you're going to get from this wireless charger is 7.5 watts. And all you need to do is easily just clip it onto the back of any MagSafe charger or just the phone bare itself. And there it starts to charge. And as you can see, it's definitely strong enough to hold your phone. As you can see, it's almost as high as the camera bump in the back of your phone. So if you guys just bought a brand new iPhone or an Apple Watch, I would definitely recommend taking a look at Spigen's products. They are really good quality. I've been using them for years and I've had absolutely no problems whatsoever. So again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.